Never plant this tree unless you want to spend your summers cleaning up its messy flowers. Hi, I'm Theo, and this is the Japanese Pagoda Tree, Sophora japonica. It's actually a beautiful tree, but it's one of the messiest trees you can plant. In Japan, it's supposedly planted around temples and shrines. I'm sure they have a staff of workers on hand to clean up the mess. These trees bloom in July and August, and the flowers fall down and cover everything underneath with a thick layer of decaying slime. Having one of these trees over a patio, walkway, or driveway is a nightmare. Trust me, I know from experience. This tree is over our patio, and it makes such a mess. You should have seen the seat cushions, but I cleaned them off before I thought to make this video. When the flowers fall, it's a daily cleanup chore. Blowing and raking isn't enough. Sometimes you literally need to use a shovel. Later on in the season, the flowers become big clusters of waxy green seed pods, and when they fall to the ground, it's even more of a mess. The bottom line is, do not plant one of these trees. I'm stuck with this one, and I'm not about to cut it down, but I strongly advise you not to plant one. There are lots of better trees you can plant. Good luck.